Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Beyond Unboxing. Today we received our Galaxy Buds Pro, which came with the pre-order unit. We ordered the Samsung S21 Ultra 5G. These came along the pre-order unit. So what we are gonna do is that we're gonna be unboxing these today, and we're gonna be seeing what's inside these. So let's start with that. Okay, so these Galaxy Buds Pro are in Phantom Black color, and as you can see here, if you can see, these come with active noise cancellation, ANC 5 to 18 hours of playtime, and IPX67 or IPX7 rating. And most of all, I did order a silver colored, I don't know what's it called, silver colored variant of Samsung S21 Ultra 5G, but the Buds Pro I received are in Phantom Black, so doesn't make much difference, but still we'll do the unboxing and see what's inside. So we have opened the box, and what we have inside is this by Samsung, and I think it contains the basic documentation or kind of booklet, the guide, quick start guide, warranty card. I don't see a warranty card, I only see these brochures or something. And moving on, next we have this tiny box here, which contains, I think, the charging cable or something else, and we have to see how it opens. Yep, it's open. And here we have a USB to USB-C type cable. Yep, it's a USB cable, and on the other end it's a USB type C. And what's here, there's a further tiny box here, and I don't know what's inside that, so let's open this tiny piece to see what's inside. Okay, I don't know what's the concept behind sending this small tiny box. It's hardly an inch. I think personally that it contains, okay. So it contains the Galaxy Buds Pro covers to adjust according to your ear. These are rubber covers, and yep, you can fix them as per your convenience. Okay, so the big unraveling is now yet to come. This is the Galaxy Buds Pro packing, similar to someone like AirPods, and the bean shaped Galaxy Buds should be inside, which you can see right now. The unit is somewhat charged, and these are the Galaxy Buds Pro bean shaped buds, and this is for the right ear. You can see the R here, and this one is the left ear unit, and you can see these tiny pins here. They provide charging to this unit, and you can charge this unit using USB cable type C from here. So we'll move forward with how to connect these, and we'll definitely connect these in a tiny bit, and we'll use them, we'll check their ANC, and we'll get back to you in the next review about their quality and drawbacks and pros and cons whatsoever they have. So this was it for now, the unboxing of Galaxy Buds Pro, and please stay tuned to hear more from us. Thank you, take care, Allah Hafiz.